buddies, welcome to my channel Study Buddy. In this channel, I'll be uploading all the solutions from CBSE Class 10 Mathematics. So today we are going to solve the second problem of exercise 2.4 from the polynomials chapter. So let's get started with the second problem. Find a cubic polynomial with the sum of the product of its zeros taken 2 at a time and the product of its zeros as 2, -7 and -14 respectively. So let's go ahead with the solution. Select the polynomial, say f of x equals to ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d to be some equation 1. So let alpha, beta and gamma be the zeros of the polynomial. It is given that alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to 2 and minus of -2 by 1, that is minus b by a, is the answer. So this is some equation 2. Now alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to -7 by the formula, that is c by a. By using this you get -7 by 1, which gives us the equation 3. Now for finding the product of the zeros, that is alpha beta gamma, is equal to -14. So -14 by 1, that is minus d by a, is the equation 4. So from equation 2, 3 and 4, we have that a is equal to 1, b as -2 and c as -7. Here d is also 14. So by substituting these values in the equation 1 given above, that is f of x, you get that f of x is equal to x cubed minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14, or f of x is equal to k into x cubed minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14. So here you get k as a real number. So we have finished solving the second problem of this exercise. In my next video, you'll find the solutions for the remaining problems. So do refer my channel for further videos. Thank you.